Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel JetBlue Credit Card. In order to cancel your JetBlue Credit Card, simply follow through the instructions till the end of the video. Open up a web browser to get started. Once you do that, go to the URL box and type in jetblue.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for JetBlue. Before proceeding with your credit card cancellation, make sure that you pay off any outstanding balance on your card. Canceling your credit card may cause a decrease in your credit score, especially if the card has a high credit limit or you have had it for a long time. In order to cancel your credit card, the easiest way is to contact the customer service. From the main homepage of JetBlue, scroll all the way down and click on the Contact Us button at the bottom of the screen. Now, scroll all the way down on the next page as well and then select your region from the drop down and go ahead and call to the provided phone number. Once you make a phone call to the customer service number, speak to a representative and be prepared to provide your account information and the reason for canceling. The representative will then process your cancellation and may offer you a retention deal to keep your card. So that is how you can easily proceed to cancel your JetBlue credit card in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.